YT370C printing tutorial. Before printing, we need to do some preparation work. 1. Check the ink level. 2. Connect the waste ink collection bottle. 3. Connect the moisturizer liquid bottle. 4. Connect the smoke filtering machine. Check the ink level. If the ink is less than 30%, you need to refill the ink. Connect the big hose to the waste ink collection bottle, the small hose to moisturizer liquid bottle. Connect the smoke filtering machine and turn on the power. Load hot melt powder. Place the powder blocker on the printing film. Turn on the front guide plate heating, dusting, shaking, and belt conveying functions. Next we enter the printing operation part. Connect the printer to the computer and open the print control software version 5765. After opening, the left down corner will display the connection is successful. Then open software voltage page and confirm that the head's temperature display is normal. Generally green, if there is a red abnormal display. Most of the printhead cable's connection failure need to be checked. Open setting page and find the load ink function button. Click settings to start loading ink. If you are using the device for the first time, you need to repeat it twice for 60 seconds. Subsequent use only takes 15 seconds once. After pumping ink twice, you need to do a cleaning for the printhead by pressing the clean button on the machine operation panel. It is recommended to clean it twice or more. Then adjust the X margin. First you need to check the scale on the printer ruler. The distance from the printhead to the film is 76 mm. To prevent printing to the edge of the film, we add 2 mm. Avoid the printhead from printing to the edge of the film. Set to 7-8 mm in software. The value is not fixed and depends on the position of the film on the printer. Then print the nozzle check. The display shows no broken frames, blur, or missing lines. It means the ink is loaded successfully and you can start printing. Open Flexi software. Select the image file you want to print. Then check the IC profile for the print files. And then save the RIP file to the desktop. You can choose the save location yourself. Find the print file on the desktop from the print control software. We set 100 prints. You can adjust these parameters as needed. Then we can start printing. When we finish printing, use a high-temperature cloth joint with the film to pass through the powder shaker. This can save the waste of printing film, and finally take out the finished product. Please make sure you have watched the complete video and understood all the points. If you have any questions, please contact our technical staff.